Autumn is my favorite season because of colorful leaves and cool breezes. So let's crochet this colorful book cover and enjoy the long nights more. You can create it in various sizes. And here there is a band for fastening the button. For this project, I used Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start. To begin, make a slip knot. Chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the first chain into the second chain, back bump. If you turn the chains, you can see some tiny bumps behind. For example, this one. I'm going to use these bumps. So skipping the first chain into the second chain, back bump, make a single crochet. Into the second chain, back bump, single crochet, half double crochet into the next chain, back bump. Double crochet into the next chain, one treble crochet into next 5 chains. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochet into next chain, half double crochet into next, single crochet into next. Into last chain, 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to work on this side. 1 single crochet in next stitch, half double crochet in next, double crochet in next, treble crochet in next 5 stitches. Five, double crochet in next stitch, half double crochet in next, single crochet in next, and 2 single crochet into last stitch. 1 and 2. Slip a stitch into the first stitch or first single crochet and fasten off. For the second row, I'm joining my yarn into this stitch, into this corner, and chaining 1 single crochet into next stitch, half double crochet in next 2 stitches, half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet in next 2 stitches, double crochet, double crochet, 2 treble crochet into next stitch, 1 and my 2 treble crochets are into the same stitch, 1 double treble crochet into next stitch, yarn over 3 times into the next stitch, and that's it. Chain 1, another double treble crochet into the same stitch. In fact, this is my first corner, 2 treble crochet into next stitch, 1, 2, double crochet into next, double crochet into next, half double crochet into next, and half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into next stitch, and into next stitch, which is my center stitch on this side, I'm going to have 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet. This is in fact my second corner. 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet into 1 stitch, 1 single crochet into next stitch, half double crochet into next 2 stitches, double crochet into next 2 stitches, 2 treble crochet into next stitch, double treble crochet into next, chain 1 and another one into the same stitch, and this is the third corner, 2 treble crochet into next stitch, double crochet into next and into next, half double crochet into next 2 stitches, single crochet into next, and into next stitch, single crochet, chain 1 and a slip stitch into the first stitch or first single crochet, and this is it, my granny square, and this is my leaf square. This is how I'm going to join the squares, and I might add another row. Consider that the leaves shouldn't be towards one side. Put them in different positions, and you can join them horizontally or vertically, or join them one by one. It doesn't matter. I cut the tails a bit longer, and now I'm going to use them for joining. And for joining, I'm using needle. Putting the back sides of the squares on each other, and as you can see, each stitch has 2 loops. One loop is behind, and I'm going to use these back loops for each motif using back loops. So, starting from a corner, inserting the needle into the back loop of the first square and the square in front of it, and pulling it through them, and do the similar pattern for the rest of this side. Therefore, I join them together in this way. At the end, they look like this. I fixed my granny squares and this is the cover. It's like that. This is the front side and these are the back side. Now I'm going to join this side together, these two from here until here, and then I'm going to come to this side. This is my corner and this is another corner on the other side. Back loops. As you can see, I'm using the back loops. So for joining, I need only back loops, not front loops. This corner stitch back loop, I'm inserting my hook and the back loop of the front side, back loop. Now I'm putting the yarn over the hook and pulling it through these two loops, chaining one. I'm going into the next stitch back loop and the stitch in front of it, again back loop, two back loops, and creating a single crochet. Next stitch back loop, the front stitch back loop, and I'm joining them. So I'm joining with single crochet. This one and this one. Do it until you reach here and then start joining this side. For this side, I start my work from here, this corner until here, and then we will start ribbing this part. I joined the two sides, this side, and it's like a bag, and also this side. Now I'm going to start the ribbing. I'm here on the corner. Now I chain one and I come to the next stitch. I don't need to take back loop or front loop. I'm taking the loops and creating one single crochet. One single crochet in each stitch all around. And consider that I'm not using the two sides together. I'm not joining them. I'm just going this way. Just one layer and making one single crochet all around the work. I mean here, 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 until I reach this part. At the end, create your last single crochet. There is no need for decrease here. And a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. Okay, this is it. Now continue creating single crochet rounds all around for 3, 4, or 5 rounds. I'm going to have this pattern. At the beginning of each round, chain 1 and create one single crochet into the same stitch. One single crochet in each stitch and all around. Until you get here. When you are having your last single crochet, slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet and continue the rounds. I've started round 5 from here. This is the front side of my work and this is the back side, and I'm at the center of this back side. Look at here. This is almost the center stitch. Here I'm going to create a small band for connecting it to the bottom, and I'm going to have a bottom here, so I'm going to make it here. After creating my single crochet, I'm going to start chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, and 12. Yes. Now continue and making 1 single crochet in each stitch until the end of the round. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!